All right, today is day 5, your 5th and final day of putting together your informational writing piece. You are an expert, and so if you paced yourself throughout the week, Monday you came up with different topics that you are an expert on, and then you brainstorm some details, supporting details for each of those topics. You choose the topic you're focusing on for the week, and then on Tuesday, we wrote body paragraph 1 and 2 in the slides that we have. And then Wednesday, we did body paragraph 3 in our introduction. Thursday, which was yesterday, we did our concluding paragraph and just looked it over, revise, edit, make sure it looks great. Today, you are submitting your final draft. In order to do that, I do want you to have here the planning slides, and I do want you to go and share those with me, but I also want this into a document like a Google Doc. And so all you have to do is go open up your Google Drive and start a new document. I'll do that over here, and I will choose to make new, my bad, Google Doc. I'm trying to go a little too fast. I'll open a new Google Doc, and if you could type a title here, I'll do the amazing sport of baseball. I'll change the font and size later. Go down here, and all you will do is go to your slide. Here's my introduction slide. I will Control C, go to the document. I'll bring it over here so it's easier and close by. And then I Control C, copied it, Control V, paste. There you go. Hit enter, go on to the second paragraph, which in this case is my body paragraph number 1, first body paragraph. Control C, do the same thing, Control V, and you will do that, and hopefully on your slides you have already looked it over. If you need to make sure that it looks great, do that before you Control C and Control V, paste it in. But hopefully you've done the work, so today is just putting it together in a document so that it's nice and neat. And then third body paragraph, if for instance you forgot to indent right here, you'll see that in this third paragraph. You can do it before or when you copy and paste it here and you notice that. I want you guys to practice indenting. Here, next paragraph, oh wait, I have this paragraph I finished, but I didn't indent. All you have to do is go here, hit tab, and now it's lined up nice and neat. Same thing, go to the last one, and then my final slide is my conclusion. So you have 5 overall, 5 paragraphs, your intro, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. There it is. If you choose to, you can change, you can add some headings and some pictures. And so I'm not going to do this now. In fact, if I want to do that, I would just go here, and then I would put here pictures, not pirates. How about I line up? Do pictures, and then I could center it, make it bold, underline, color. I wouldn't worry too much about color. I know you guys love that. What I notice here is these are all bold, so I'm actually going to take that and change that. So you worry about the font, but here I realize it might have made it bold for you automatically from the slides. So I do pictures here. My second paragraph I'll enter, and that one is about catchers. So I have these headings, and I'm going to do that for each. I'm going to center it. Here I'm going to hit bold and underline. Do that for the third one is batters, and then like I said, you could put a few pictures in throughout. But what you will do when you're done is make sure you share it with me. You have to make sure it is all good to go, and then you'll save it with Kyle Plano or share it with Kyle Plano, and it'll be good to go. I'm hoping that you will share every time you're handing an assignment. You should share these slides and then also share your document. Make sure that you have a title. Also, it helps for me to put your name in the title, just so it's more organized when I put them all together. But either way, that is the deal. Hopefully you are all ready to the point where you could just piece it together, add some pictures, some subheadings, titles, everything, make it look great. Can't wait to read about all of your expert topics. You guys are amazing. Have an awesome Friday.